So it's July 2023 and I just started taking editing seriously. It was school summer break and it was the perfect moment to make a bit of money. And somehow, I don't even know how, I found a way to make $1,000 in a single month without even knowing how to edit. So now, let's break down how you can do this. So first step, create a Twitter profile. You should already have this, but in case you haven't, just do that. Get like a good profile picture of yourself that you like, or if you don't want to show yourself, get like a cartoon version, doesn't really matter. Your bio, you want to make it seem like you're the best editor in the world. Explain how you're helping creators achieve their dreams, something like inspirational, but make sure it's not something cringe that everyone uses. Like every third person I see on Twitter is like helping creators scale to 10k per month, even though they haven't even made their first dollar on the internet. So don't be like those people. Now, this is really important. Get verified. This is gonna actually skyrocket your credibility. When I look through my DMs, the only people that stand out and actually get a chance for me to see their message is those who are verified. If you're not verified and you're offering your thumbnail design to me, I'm not gonna even open your message. I'm just being honest, bro. And lastly, get like 200 followers. This could be by posting some basic content like intro re-edits, like editing highlights if you have some, and engaging with other editors so you can make friends there and they're gonna follow you, you're gonna follow them. Just make sure you have a positive follower to following ratio. Step 2, let's actually get started. Have some work on your profile. So take some random videos on YouTube that need some editing, just spice it up and make it look good. I don't condone this, but you can copy somebody's edit one-to-one and just don't make it that obvious, you know. This way it's gonna seem that you know how to edit, but you actually don't, but you're improving, so it's like a good thing. Just do what's necessary, man. Step 3, now that you have uploaded your work, make sure you're getting some likes on them. So as I said, get other editors to engage on it. Make sure you have at least like 20 likes on your work so your potential prospects can actually believe you're a real person and not some robot sending out DMs. Step 4, the juicy part. Now we're actually gonna get clients. So the way you're gonna do outreach is this. Go to the search bar and write looking for editor. Not looking for an editor, looking for editor. This way all the posts that have these keywords are gonna appear. Now go on every single post, put your portfolio up and DM them. So go each one by one, each one that appears. One thing I forgot to mention is you can sort them all by newest. So it's not gonna show you only the top, but the newest. So it's gonna show each one. Do a lot of volume. So this can be 20, 30, 40 per day. And yeah, this isn't even sustainable, but it's gonna build a foundation. So you're actually gonna have some work that is posted on YouTube that you can post on your portfolio and get better clients. And you're not even gonna get the best clients this way. It's gonna be all the beginners. Some of them are gonna be assholes, I'm not gonna lie. Some of them might be late like a whole week to pay you, and most of them are gonna come to you just once and get a single edit and you're gonna never hear from them again. I mean, there are exceptions. I had a client called Sidhu Jr. He was a legend, bro. He wasn't paying me a lot, but he was always gassing my editing up, even though I was kinda shit at editing. Just rinse and repeat this process until you get enough clients so you can build a big enough of a portfolio, and then you can pick the clients you want to work with. But anyway, if you want to make this whole process way easier and have me as a coach, check out the link in the description to see whether you're eligible. If you have any questions, make sure to put them down below in the comments, and that's it from me. Keep cooking.